Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 2nd December 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number. Today, I will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, Weather and Seasons. So, the name of your new chapter is Weather and Season. So, first of all, student, let see what are the learning objectives of this chapter. It means after studying this chapter, what are the things you will understand. So, the first learning objective. The first learning objective is the difference difference between difference between weather and climate. So these are the things which you will study in this chapter. Second thing which we will study in this chapter is why weather changes. Third learning objective of the chapter is how weather affects both plants and animals. Next, five main season, that is winter, spring, summer, monsoon, and autumn. Okay, so student, these are the things which we will study in this chapter, that what is the difference between weather and climate and what is the reason why weather changes. Okay, next thing is that how weather affect both plants and animals, and next thing is that five main seasons, and these seasons are also formed due to the weather. Okay, so we have five different seasons, that is winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. So this is also due to the weather. Okay, now let's start with this chapter with a little discussion, student. Sometime you will see that the weather is very hot. Okay, sometime you will see that the weather is very hot or cold, and sometime you will observe that it rains, another time it is dry. So have you wondered why it happens, student? This happens due to the change in the weather. All these conditions arises due to the change in the weather. So weather क्या है? For example, weather it all the time weather changes. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द वेदर? जैसे आप मॉर्निंग में देखते होगे, मॉर्निंग में इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम, ठीक है, मॉर्निंग में आप देखते होगे कि वेदर थोड़ा कूल होता है, ठीक है, इवन इन हॉट डेज आल्सो, एंड एट द आफ्टरनून टाइम इट इज वेरी हॉट. ओके, so and in the night again it cools. So but when we are talking about the weather always change. Weather always change, time to time, hour to hour, days to days, week to week, and months. Okay, so weather always change. अगर कभी कभी आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि रेन हो रही है और अचानक से बहुत तेज फिर धूप निकल आती है, तो वेदर क्या है? वेदर एक ऐसी कंडीशन है बेटा जो हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है, टाइम टू टाइम ये क्या होता है? चेंज होता रहता है, ठीक है. सो अगर एक ही जैसा वेदर अगर कुछ समय के लिए रह जाता है बेटा, तो उसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? सीजन बोलते हैं, ठीक है. सो वेदर ऑलवेज चेंज, टाइम टू टाइम, हावर टू हावर, डे टू डे, वीक टू वीक, एंड मंथ टू मंथ. एंड व्हेन सेम टाइम ऑफ वेदर रिमेन्स फॉर फ्यू मंथ, so that condition is known as season. ठीक है, जैसे we will discuss in this chapter different seasons like summer season, winter season, spring season, summer season, monsoon season, autumn season. तो if same type weather remains for few months, then such a condition is known as season. So these seasons are formed due to changes in the weather. Okay, so now हमने जैसा कि अभी डिस्कस किया, सम डेज आर वेरी हॉट वाइल अदर कोल्ड, सम टाइम यू सी इट रेन्स एंड सम टाइम इट इज वेरी ड्राई. तो हैव यू वंडर्ड व्हाई इट हैपन? इट हैपन्स ड्यू टू चेंज इन द वेदर. ये सारी की सारी कंडीशंस जो होती हैं, ये क्या होता है? चेंज इन वेदर है. नाउ and what is the reason for this condition? Reason is that this happen because of the change in the atmosphere of a particular place. Now atmosphere is not a new word for you. Okay, as we know that our earth is surrounded by a layer of air and it is known as atmosphere. So atmosphere the layer of air, the layer of air surrounded the earth. The layer of air surrounded the earth is known as atmosphere. Is known as atmosphere. Okay, so the layer of air that surrounded the our planet earth, that is known as atmosphere. So what is weather? So what is weather? So weather is the what is weather? The condition of the atmosphere the condition of the atmosphere of a particular of a particular place at a particular time is called it weather. Okay, so what is the weather? The condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time, and this condition is known as weather. So weather always change. Okay, it changes during the day and also from day to day. So जस्ट आप इमेजिन करो मॉर्निंग में कैसा वेदर था, कूल था, ठीक है. हैज इट चेंज नाउ और इट इज द सेम? मान लो यही क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे आफ्टरनून टाइम में पूछूं, ठीक है. मॉर्निंग में अगर मैं पूछूं 5 और 6 o'clock हाउ इज द वेदर, तो आप बोलोगे कूल है. सेम क्वेश्चन इफ आई आस्क यू इन द आफ्टरनून टाइम, देन the same answer you will reply no. Your answer is no. In the afternoon the weather is very hot. So now next question arises, why does the weather change? Okay, so for all these things the sun heat is responsible. The heat of the sun is responsible for all these things. See, the source of energy on our planet, that is the sun. Sun not only give you the light so that the things are visible to us, it also gives the heat also, ठीक है. So due to the, you in the morning you say weather is cool, and in the afternoon you reply the weather is very hot. So how this condition arises? This condition arises due to the heat of the sun, because student, heat of the sun causes a change in the temperature. Okay, and due to this what happen? Movement of air take place, and the moving air is called it wind. Okay, and due to this wind the weather changes. Is it clear? So the heat of the sun changes. We say that the weather change from time to time, hour to hour, day to day, week to week, month to month, and all these things are possible. All things are possible due to the heat of the sun, because heat of the sun causes in the change of the temperature. Okay, so weather changes due to the weather changes, or you can say temperature changes due to the heat of the sun. Is it clear? Temperature changes due to the heat of the sun. Okay, so now I hope this is very clear to you, why all the time weather changes. All the time the weather changes due to the heat of the sun, and due to this change in temperature, what happens? It brings about the, due to this there is the movement, or it causes the, this temperature change brings about the movement of air, and the moving air is called it wind. Next important point is moving air called it wind. Moving air is known as wind. Wind causes the weather to change. Is it clear? So you have already discussed this thing in your earlier chapter, and the name of the topic is water cycle. Okay, you have already learned this topic in your earlier chapter, that is known as water cycle. Okay, now what happens in this? Due to the heat of the sun, I have already explained you. First I will just tell you, after that I will explain this thing you with the help of the diagram also. So what is a water cycle? So it depends upon two processes, that is evaporation and condensation. Okay, so the two main process, that is evaporation and condensation. Okay, so what is evaporation? ड्यू टू द हीट ऑफ द सन, मैंने अभी ऑलरेडी आपको बताया ना, जो भी वेदर में चेंजेस होती हैं वो किससे हो रही है? हीट ऑफ द सन. सो ड्यू टू द हीट ऑफ द सन, the water which is present in different water bodies, like what are the water bodies? Water bodies are sea, oceans, rivers, lake, ponds. So extra, these are the water bodies which are present on the surface of earth, and as we know that 72% of the surface of the earth is covered with the water, and only in 28% there is a land. And even I have explained you, in all the places is the land same? So answer is no. Somewhere you see mountains, somewhere you will see hills, somewhere you will see plateaus, some areas are desert areas, somewhere you see valleys. So even the land which is a 28% land which is present on the surface of the earth, that is also not the same. Is it clear? So due to the heat of the sun, the water which is present in different water bodies, it on heating by the heat of the sun, on heating, this water change in the form of a water vapor. It start changing in the form of a water vapor, because we know that water is present in three form in the nature. Okay, water is, as we know that, as so what water is present in nature in three forms. Okay, water is present in nature in three forms: gas, liquid form, and solid form. So these are the three forms of water. In the form of a gas, we say it as a water vapor. Okay, in the form of a liquid, we say it as a water, and in the form of a solid, So solid form of water is the ice. Okay, we will continue this in the next video. Thank you.